Okay, so round 2 of modifications is adding a 48 volt battery pack. I ordered this one because I thought it looked kind of nice in this case, but I think what I'm going to do is actually run this out of the case if I can get it to fit in here, which does not look like it will be that difficult of a task. Sell the original Jetson battery because I've hardly used it and it's probably worth about $100. I don't know why I thought the charge wire would run direct to the charger, but I did and it doesn't. So maybe cut the loom back open. Okay, this is the battery connector. Okay, so the battery's all disconnected there. I don't believe this stuff is really going to adhere real well to this blue plastic because it's lifting up pretty easy as I'm trying to separate the backing. So I'm going to go fairly thick with the cardboard. Okay. It's kind of sitting in there, so that's good. It's all going to be covered up in the box anyways. Okay, this is a 14 millimeter. Okay, just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of how the bike ended up. Pretty much done with it, except for that I want to recess this battery monitor right now. It's just Velcroed on. But this is hooked up direct to the battery. Since the regular battery monitor doesn't work anymore, you can see I was able to fit the charge port in to the original. The aftermarket battery case is being used to carry a tall canner, a couple 12 ounces, and then I put this net on the cargo rack. That's been good for trips to the grocery store. Got the standard U-bolt lock for the grocery store trips. Folding pedals. It's kind of important, or handy rather, to fit into the back of the trunk. You'd be surprised how much that little bit of extra space helps to slide that into the trunk of a compact car. And then, you know, standard good heavy duty cell phone mount and cup holder. And I did the wrong sided mirror so that it's low profile, so that's actually a right side mirror installed on the left side. It does cause me to have to look down to check behind myself, but it's worth it to have the lower profile and keep everything condensed